paste special function which can be used to get special data such as formulas, values. So we have an example here which I am going to use paste special function here. So I'm just copying this data. So I'm going to paste with paste special. Click on here. We have either here options, formulas, values. So formulas, when we paste the data, we will get with the formulas, whereas in values only values. So I'll show you. Just copy this and paste it. So I've got it here, the sum, but here we can see the values with formulas in the formula bus. In similar way, I'm just copying and pasting here. With the values. So here we get the datas, but here only the values, whereas here the values we can see it, but we can see it with the formulas. So in the both of the pasted datas there is no formats. We can use the other functions. So just copy it again. Alright, and I'm going to paste it here. Here we can see 500. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just copying with the Ctrl C and pasting here with the other options, add and subtract. So add, we can use whatever value we have to add additional values. So I am putting here 500 extra. What I am going to do here, I'm just using the add functions and just, so we got it here. Here it was 12,000, sorry, 125,000. So we have got it 500 extra here. In similar way we can use other functions also. For example, here just copy it here. I am going to paste it here with paste special. We can use similar way, multiply and divide and subtract. I'm just using the transpose functions. See the transpose function. Transpose function can convert the datas both vertically as well as in horizontally. Whatever we have in the, while copying what we have in vertical, it will convert to horizontally, and in similar way whether it's in vertically, it will convert to horizontally. Okay, fine. And we can use other functions also here. Paste special, we can use paste link. Right, just use the link. Link can be used where we have blanks. We can see the zeros here instead of blanks. In similar way, when we paste it, we can change the parent value. It will also clear the changes here also. So these are the main paste special functions. Alright, so we can use other paste special functions also.